Hello everyone, this is the second part of the video tutorial how to knit slippers. In this video, I'll show you how to knit the second sole and finish up the project. Complete details about the project are available at interunit.com/how to knit slippers. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. To knit the second sole, attach the yarn and pick up 10 stitches. After that, knit rows increasing stitches. Slip one stitch, yarn to the back of your work, and knit all stitches to end. Now increase one stitch. Just use these loops. So use first one and knit it. That's how you increase one stitch. Turn and again. Slip one stitch, yarn to the back, knit all stitches to end. Then again, pick up one stitch, now, and purl it. Turn, and just continue, slip one stitch, knit all stitches to end, and so on. And now again, pick up one stitch and knit it. Increase stitches until you have 16 stitches. On this side, purl the last stitch that you are going to pick up. and turn. And again slip one stitch, knit all stitches to end. When you increase 16 stitches, continue working knit rows, joining them to these side loops. For that, knit last stitch with each side loop. And then work as usual, slip one, knit to end, at the end of the row, purl last stitch with this side loop. And then just alternate these two rows. On the wrong side, knit one stitch with the side stitch, and on the right side, purl last stitch with the side stitch. Again, knit all stitches to one last stitch. And I will use these side stitches to end until I will not have any more side stitches, and then I will just work knit rows regular way without joining them to those side stitches, side loops. And again, slip one on the right side, knit all stitches to last one stitch, and then purl it with the side stitch. Again, for the second sole, knit rows joining them, and then work just regular rows. And now begin to decrease stitches. For the first decrease row, work slip one stitch, then knit two stitches together twice, then just knit to your last 5 stitches, decrease 2 stitches, knit 1. Slip, knit 2 stitches together, and again knit 2 stitches together. And knit to your last 5 stitches. and then again knit 2 stitches together, and knit 1. Then turn and again slip 1 stitch and knit all stitches to end. And again just repeat. Decrease 2 stitches on this side and decrease 2 stitches on this side. So slip, knit 2 stitches together twice, and again decrease 2 stitches. Now again decrease, and now just cast off all the stitches. For that, bring your yarn to the back of your work and knit the stitches together and put this loop back on the left needle and repeat. Knit 2 stitches together and the loop back on the left needle. Cut the yarn and secure it. For the top part, attach the yarn, pick up 30 stitches and then work knit rows, joining them to the second sew, just as you did for the heel. After that, turn and work regular knit row. Slip and knit to end. At the end. At the end of each row, join rows as you did for the heel. Knit the very last stitch with the loop of the second sole on the wrong side, and on the right side purl the very last stitch with the loop of the second sole to join rows. Join and knit together. Then again slip one and knit to end. On the right side purl. And then just alternate first and second rows. Now cast off all the stitches. Lastly, just sew the second sole. Sew the top part also. Then decorate it. After you finish decorating, the slippers are ready, and thank you for watching.